Hello everybody. I have to sit over here in the kitchen and the entertainment center because one of my lights is broken. Actually, it's not broken, it's just out of AA batteries. I had to give them to Laura to put in her vitamins because she needs AA batteries in her vitamins. Anyways, I don't have any batteries for that. That's why I'm over here. The real reason why I'm coming to you now, we are on the eve of a possible once-in-a-decade snowstorm. I have lived in downstate Michigan for 11 years now. And one hasn't happened. So, yeah, this could be it. Everybody's worried that I'm going to freeze and die. But that won't happen. Because this van has these freaking heaters. I know in the last VanLife thing, before the day that the van shit, I only showed you the two small ones, but I have this one. And it actually makes it I have to shut it off. Even almost every single night, to be perfectly honest with you. The last couple nights it's got down around 20 degrees American. And I've had to shut it off once or twice, and it's only for the dogs really. But yeah, it's supposed to be 3 feet of snow, 60-mile-an-hour gusts, and what else? Oh yeah, 18 below. I don't think that's going to happen, but you never know. I got a bunch of cheese to make quesadillas. I have a shit ton of weed and coffee. I should be good. Yeah, so I don't know how good it is, but the window is getting a foggy and the snow is accumulating already. Also, I figured out a way to make the sand, the machine that we use to rake the bunkers. I figured out how to, well, I didn't figure out how. I just bungee corded a giant piece of wood onto the side of the plow, and now it's a snow plow. So hopefully I'll be able to show you that. And cross your fingers, everybody. Also, yeah, cross your fingers, because who knows? Who knows what'll happen? Let's go, Chill Adventures! Snowbreading! Good morning, everybody. It's 4 o'clock or so, Eastern American time. In the morning, that is. I let the dogs out twice since about 6 o'clock, and it's progressively been getting worse, but I feel like at midnight, it didn't look too much worse. We could still see our footprints and stuff, so they weren't completely covered over. There is a decent amount of snow when I went out earlier. I'm gonna go out and try to plow now. I don't know if it's blowing too hard. It's definitely gonna be dark, so I don't really know what you're gonna see, but I'll do my best, and we'll reconvene afterwards. Let's go! You ever know the best way to dry out your wetsuit? It's a 3-foot swamp fan. There's absolutely no way you're gonna see me do anything out there right now. It is too dark, and it'll just be whiteout conditions. Once I start plowing, there's a foot of snow, about, and that has fallen in less than 12 hours. So, good little clip there. I want to put on every bit of warm stuff I have here at the course. And I'm going to get to plowing. But hopefully tomorrow, today is the 23rd, so tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Yeah. I'm going to put this back in the other van, and I'm going to start plowing. Let's go, plow adventures! That's a good amount of snow. So I got about 2/3 of the way down the road, and unfortunately I'm probably gonna have to shovel the rest of the way, but did pretty good for a bunker machine in 1.5 feet of snow. Let's go. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock. Haven't been outside in a while because it's scary. and we're gonna check it right now. Let's go. It's not too bad. I can still drive out of here. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a plow truck by the road at this point. I might bring this heater in the other van. It's only 32 degrees in here, which, I mean, it's actually pretty shocking, to be honest with you. But I think I need to bring this in the other van. Just because. First try. She's almost up to her belly. I just had an idea. I'm going to go get the heater from the other van, the big one. It's not cold in here or anything, but that thing has the ability to tell me the temperature in here. And I would like to see what the temperature in here is. You can tell that it's getting colder because, well, that's why you can tell it's getting colder, because it's getting colder. But it's really not that bad for like a 10-year blizzard. But yeah, this could possibly be a 10-year blizzard. I messaged my boss. I told him everything was cool, and I got a bunch of the driveway plowed, but we're probably going to need somebody else to plow the rest of it. Also, I did tell you about the other heater. That is the other heater. That's literally what I have been heating this place with this little desk one too. But like I said, I think I'm gonna go grab the big one from the other van real quick and just put it in here. I think probably these can get as hot, but I would assume that one's a little more powerful. We'll see. Okay, wish me luck. Yeah. Let's go. I locked the door, son of a bitch. I don't think it's snowed anymore, but it's just still blowing. Like, you can see how much I left that pile right there to kind of see. But yeah. So yeah, it hasn't snowed more. But yeah. Wow. I can't believe I'm warm in there. Number one. Come on, dogs, let's go. Come on. Please hurry. The river is frozen. Come on, Arlo. Come on. Good girl. Why is it still so dark out here? That's a good boy. Couple things about this snowstorm. One, The heater, the double giant heater in the van, once I turned the big one all the way up, it says 90, I don't know how accurate that is, but I turned it up to the max, and once it got doing what it was doing, I was super warm. Also, I locked the keys in the new van, so I had to eliminate one of the outdoor locks with prejudice. Also, I don't even remember what the first also was. I might need to call a plow to get out of here. I'm going to get on the Sand Pro, which I've now named the Snow Pro, and do as much as I can, which it could be better than more than I did the other day because I've already done some, and it's not snowing now. It is blowing like a witch's titty, but yeah. But yeah, so I stayed warm. Shockingly, it got to at least -2 last night for sure. I stayed warm in the Chevy. The diesel fired up pretty quickly. I started it at like 10 o'clock last night, and then I didn't start it again until like 6 in the morning today. And yeah, so that's all good. Here's the lock I destroyed. The door still locks and unlocks with the key fob, but that is not going to be used anymore. Anyways, I'm going to jump on the Snow Pro, do as much as I can, and then I might have to just pay for a Christmas Eve snowplow. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out of here in time to take a shower at Planet Shitness. Also, I don't think I'll be able to make it to Grassy Knoll to buy any reefer. Also, whenever you're buying reefer from a dispensary in the Muskegon, Grand Haven, anywhere near Muskegon, go to the Grassy Knoll. They're the best place ever. Just Google Grassy Knoll cannabis Muskegon.
ضحايا الأنظمة ويا غلابة يلفي النزوح واللجوء والظلم حايم يلا القضايا والحقوق رافعين الراية أصوات قوية تنادي بالعدالة رغم الشقاوة وسط النواح والبكا والدمع سايلة أصوات قوية تنادي بالعدالة
Well, friends, I guess as we look through the last few days that I've had to deal with things, and really the last few weeks, from the van dying to my mom having a seizure to well, the whole 9 yards, culminating in 4-foot snowdrift that I can't surpass on Christmas morning, and also the snowplow driver screwing me. I think back to the people who aren't able to be screwed. And, well, friends, in the spirit of Mr. Rogers, because I'm untying my shoes and shit, and talking to what would seem like no one, but is, in fact, 50 to, I don't know, 300 people. By the way, subscribe to my channel. I work really hard. And, you know, I'm sure most of you have watched at least one of my videos. So if this is your second, you owe me. You know, this is a free service. At any rate. In the spirit of Mr. Rogers, I won't be mad, but I'll be thankful. I'll be thankful that I've put myself in the position to be fucked. Because if you aren't able to be fucked, that means you have nothing going on. Not only do you have nothing going on, but, well, even when you don't have anything going on, or if you have too many things going on, perhaps you have kind of a lot of things going on. Some of them you don't know, other ones you do. I'm not quite sure if that made any sense or not, but if it didn't, then you're not listening hard enough, or you're listening too hard. One of each, maybe a little bit of both, perhaps none of them at all. I hope at least, whoa, my jacket's unzipped, rezipped, backwards, upside down. Anyways, I hope everybody has learned something from what I just said. Also, I hope I get plowed out today because I really need a shower. On that note, everybody, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I don't know when this one will come out. But, yeah. I don't think we're going to be surfing anymore, but again, this coming week could be a good one. If all this shit melts. However, I don't know. The little creek right in front of where I park, it's not completely iced over, so that leads me to believe that it's probably not going to be. And that comes from an inland lake, so those tend to freeze quicker. At any rate, thanks everybody. Till I met you.